Hey, has your business taken a hit because of COVID? Are you still struggling and don't know what to do about it? Then you need to read COVID Bounce Back. Over 300 pages packed full of practical business growth strategies that any business can use to thrive despite COVID. Learn how to emerge a winner as lockdown restrictions lift with this real-world, step-by-step business success system. Written by leading business experts Damon Miller and Claire Thompson. In this book, you'll discover hundreds of foolproof marketing and sales secrets for COVID times, a blueprint for creating a brilliant cash flow despite COVID, practical systems for managing teams, building brands, creating products and services, and so much more during and after lockdown. And approximately 200 additional strategies, tactics, and other powerful weapons to ensure your very own COVID bounce back. What are you waiting for? Order your copy today and start your COVID bounce back. Visit www.covid-book.net. Email hello@covid-book.net.